I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. Roll me up, mom, protect. I gotta have it. I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. I need me a sugar daddy, sugar daddy. Chanel dress and a brand new G.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's hop right into the video. So I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I'm gonna be putting on 3 layers of that. I'm gonna speed through it because it's very repetitive. I'm smoothing out the glue, and then I'm gonna blow dry in between layers. I'm gonna put on 3 layers and then blow dry in between until it's completely clear. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put the wig on my head, and then we can start laying that baby down. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done putting on the glue. My mama just passed, but I'm showing you guys the wig. I just placed it on my head, so right now I'm just seeing where I need to place the wig. Make sure everything lines up. Make sure it lines up with the glue. Know where the placement is and everything. Now I'm laying down the wig. I always start in the front first, then go to the sides because I don't like those little ridges. And then I am going to blow dry, making sure that that lace gets stuck on there, stuck on there. So that's what I'm doing now. Blow drying. Using a comb because you know you have oils on your hands, so you want to make sure. Sometimes it lifts up the glue. Now I'm going to pin back my hair, and those little places that I didn't put enough glue, I'm gonna go ahead and add glue, cut some off. Like over here, my ear tabs always miss it because I don't know how far along to put it down on my face, the glue. But I'm gonna be putting 3 layers on that as well. Blow drying in between, and then I'm gonna lay it down, and I'm gonna do that to both sides. I'm also gonna cut off any excess, you know, making sure that it lines up with my hairline. The lace is a little dark. I did bleach the knots and everything. This is a old wig. I did add maybe like a bundle in it, because it wasn't thick at all, you guys. It was too thin. So I did add a bundle in it last night before I installed the wig today. But yeah, I'm just sorry that I didn't show that on camera. But yeah, I'm just making sure everything's glued down, and then I'll be back. So right here, I'm making sure everything's down. I'm placing my baby hairs down, so I can get ready to spray it. Making sure I have enough hair in my baby hairs, because I placed my baby hairs down last night, like I said. So then I'm going to use my Got to Be spray. As you can see, spray my hairline, spray. So I can go ahead and put on my elastic band. I'm gonna blow dry it first, of course. Spray again, because I had some sporadic hairs from when the last time I used it. And then I'm gonna put on my elastic band. I had to go get it. Put on my elastic band, and then I'm going to start the styling process, you guys, which took forever and a fucking day. I hate curling my hair, but the outcome was so pretty. But yeah, laying it down. The elastic band is your best friend when it comes to wigs. Melting the lace, making sure the lace is in the skin. When y'all see me take it off, y'all gonna see a little fuck up, but you know I fixed it. But I'm just checking, making sure everything's straight, making sure my baby hair's out, making sure all the hair's out from underneath the elastic band. Then I'm going to start doing my part of my hair right down the middle, as you can see. I'm gonna get my hot comb so I can lay down the part. I laid it down a little bit last night with my wax stick, but I wanted to, now that I have the wig on, I need to make sure my part is perfect. So that's what I'm doing now. So then I had to go get my hot comb, and I went and got some makeup as well, so I can define my part a little more. I didn't have any black spray, which I hated, but whatever. So that's what I'm doing now. Gonna hot comb it. Hot comb is your best friend. Best friend when it comes to laying down that hair. But that's all I'm doing now. So I'm gonna come back when I start curling. So I'm getting my heat protecting spray. Olive oil smells so good. So that's what I'm about to do, spray all my hair. I don't spray it in sections because I feel like the oil is very heavy, so it weighs down the hair. So I do not spray in sections, but I split it in half and I curled. I'm using my Conair. I think that's a inch and a half. Not 100% sure. I had this forever, but I'm curling away from my face, so backwards basically, and that's what I'm gonna do throughout the whole process. I split I will split my hair right down the middle so I could get a good sections, and I'm parting the hair with my fingers, taking section by section. It's very repetitive, so I'm going to let y'all just watch it, and then I'll come back when I get to the top of my head on the other side. Okay, you guys, I'm back. On the other side, I'm doing the last bit of curl. It was very repetitive, so I did not want to talk the whole way through. But I'm doing the last little curl on this side, and then I'm going to pin the hair back. I'm going to actually first spray it with my Sebastian Holding spray. As you guys can see, Sebastian Shaper, it doesn't make the hair hard, which I like. I don't like crunchy hair. I feel like it got to be when you spray it on your curls, it'd be a little too crunchy. But yeah, this where I said my lace fucked up. Look, look at this shit. This shit was white as fuck. I don't know what happened. I think I didn't let it completely dry, and then I put that elastic band on. But the glue too, I think I had too much glue. But you gonna see me fix it. Nothing a little spray can't fix. So I'm about to pin it back with my clips, and I'm going to take all the excess glue that I have. I usually just use my fingers because I didn't want to use alcohol and then it lift up the whole lace, and then that shit would have just been a mess, and I would have been upset, and I would have been very, very, very fucking mad if I had to lay it back down. So I got the excess glue off. Now I'm going to spray it. I used the olive oil spray. I think I used the Gotta Be 2, but I used the olive, but it was coming out all fucked up. So I got my olive oil holder spray, and I sprayed it so it could melt again, and I, to lay down the lace and for it to blend back in with my skin, because that shit was white as fuck. And then I cut off some excess baby hairs because it was just so many like little sporadic hairs from when I had his hair before. So right now I'm going to get my eyebrow razor, and I'm going to cut my baby hairs. Everybody does baby hairs different. I'm still learning. I'm not a pro. This is just what works for me. But yeah. And then I don't use foam either. You guys are gonna see. I sometimes try to use foam because I know foam, it keeps the baby hair soft, and I'm still learning on how to do the soft baby hairs. So, but I'm gonna get my Got To Be gel, the black gel, and I'm going to lay down my baby hairs and let you guys watch how I do them. I am going to cut them too, shape them to my face. You're gonna see me do that once I start the swooping process. I wanted the baby hairs to be like those long baby hairs that I be seeing Jada with. When Tay be doing her hair, she be having like, it don't be so short. They don't be like short. They be like maybe like an inch and a half long. See, I did a good job. And then I'm gonna go in my scissors, cut any that need to be cut. I'm sorry I cut this out, but y'all gonna see me fix them. And then what I'm gonna do, the sideburns too. I like doing the little swoops on the sideburns and the little the little curl. Y'all gonna see me do it. So let y'all watch. Okay, you guys, I am done with my baby hairs, as you all can see. Now, all I'm going to do, you guys are going to see me do, I'm going to curl the hair again, so I can frame the face a little better, because my the front curls wasn't framing the face like I wanted to, so I'm curling away from the face like I said before. I'm also going to define my part a little more with my contour shade from Black Radiance. I'm going to define my part a little better, and I'm also going to get me a comb, my big pink comb, so I can comb the curls out. You're going to see me do. I'm also going to show you guys the back of the hair, how the curls look in the back of the head. But that's about it. So you're going to see me finishing up everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see any more hair videos, please let me know down below. I did enjoy making this video for you guys. So, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so every time I upload, you will be notified. And thank you guys for watching.